congratulations to Alpha Whisperers and Kokoro for Women's Wisdom for today's inaugural gathering and pre-book launch. We look forward to witnessing the growth of this unique network of Alpha Whisperers in shaping meaningful dialogue between Japan and its partners, including the Philippines, towards a sustainable and empowering future. We are especially proud of the founder of Alpha Whisperers, a fellow Filipina, Janet Salazar, on this accomplishment. Your dedication and grit in building this leadership platform attests to the potential of the Filipino diaspora, not only to contribute to their local communities, but also to advocate for meaningful change in their environment as leaders. The Philippines is of the view that peace and sustainable